I'm Noe,
I'm Jesus.
and today on My Broke Ass Garage, we're gonna go from that to this.
Our little boats are frozen. Jesus has the answer.
Our Here, grab the bed. Are you recording?
That one bolt, huh?
One pucker.
Broke it off.
Ta-da!
It's a mess in there, guys. Nasty and dirty, grimy and shit. And they shouldn't be because you're not supposed to grease this.
Doesn't make any sense.
Now we gotta remove 2 clips.
Which are fun on their own. Here's one. Make sure you put one of these on your list of tools you need.
Oh, you're very sharp! Oh
Son of a
God! Paper cut.
I don't know.
It's really in there.
Alright, you guys just gotta believe it's there.
It's like a G-spot.
It sounded cool. That's what it feels like.
Oh, it's right there. There you go. You got it. There you go. See that right there? It's hidden. And a bunch of grease.
It's not supposed to be in
It's
there.
supposed to be in grease. So we got the mix. Yeah, horrid mess. Look at that. That shit. It's not supposed to look like that. That's just getting grease in there. Look. Man.
God.
We have to get this out. Here's how the clean parts, right? Looking like diesel.
Another rat turd, man.
Rabbit turd.
Telling you, man, rabbit turds are shitting me over.
And we have one more seat that we can pull out the back there. I don't know what it is, the space is with the other. The old hub is too much in. So, yeah, we're gonna wash this out. You have to watch that. Whatever you do, we'll put it in.
Took a few steps back, right back on sympathy. Take a few steps back, right back here in me. Where there's not much left of anything.
So these ports right here, I don't even know if we need them. But I do know that the hub wouldn't fit in there correctly, the new one, unless we took them out. So we took these two pieces out, which a spacer, looks like a spacer or a bearing type of thing. It locks. I know it's there for a reason, but we got a C-clip on the outside of the hub. Look. Check it out. Now that we took that spacer ring out, the little spacer it has, we can actually push it all the way back in where it's supposed to go, and then we can put in the big O-clip. Which Jesse has perfected that. On the other side of it. We don't want to look like complete idiots doing this. Push it around all the way around, lock it. And that locks the hook in there really securely. And now we have this cool tool. You can pick it up for $3 at the flea market. I swear to God, get one. It's
So worth it.
8 hours of fucking trying to take a clip off of the screwdriver. And especially
baling
putting
wire.
one on, yeah. That's it for that. Now we're gonna get the pretty hub part. What are we doing? I don't know. What I'm doing is getting in the way of my leg.
It's not nice and pretty. Fingers, I do love big noodles.
Push over. Childproof packaging.
Oh god. Do I need a torch?
Give me a saw quick.
Saw.
Torch and a saw. Alright guys, to do this whole thing we just did, need some pretty fancy tools. Okay. Our bolts seized up, and Jesus had to make them more compliant. The drill, if you got bolts that seized up. An Allen wrench, if you don't have bolts that seized up, I don't know what size they are, you gotta find them. I believe the ones we had were a 1/8 for the thing, or a number 8, something like that. It didn't matter because they freezed up and we used that for that purpose. And then, what else did you use? Okay, the little Allen wrench. We use that to find this in there, which is the big O-ring. Use that for that. We use this one, is on the axle that holds the hub in place. We use this guy to pick that guy off too. And if you had some cheap hubs on there, more than likely they had a spacer in the back. It goes in, and then this guy clips on there. With the mile marker ones I had, they didn't fit with this in there at all. We need to take this out to make it fit. All right. Oh, the hammer. Yeah, we need the hammer to knock it free. And then these cool things, like I said, they're $3 at a barn. Flea market, yeah, the flea market. I think these are the cheapest, but they'll save your life for any other project. Brush to clean all the grease off. And diesel, that's what we use. We didn't use no gun or brake clean or shit like that. We just use diesel. So that's our broke-ass fix. Any words of wisdom?
Brace yourself. Catch a drill to the face.
First one.
Stay safe. Don't try this at home.
Don't try it at home, please. Don't. Sit down. Don't.
Took a few steps back, right back on my knees. At the mercy of your sympathy. Took a few steps back, right back here.